Hello all, welcome in our science period. We were learning about good health. Yesterday we have learned about the nutrients like carbohydrates and fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals, roughage, etc. Today you will be able to know about balanced diet. Children, we eat various types of food. The food that we eat constitutes our diet. We eat fresh fruits, we eat different kinds of vegetables, we drink milk, etc. A diet that has all nutrients in the right quantity is called a balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet that has all nutrients in the right quantity is called a balanced diet. Is it important to have a healthy diet to stay healthy and energetic? Yes, of course. It is very much important to have a healthy diet to stay healthy and energetic. So, we have to maintain the balance of all the nutrients like protein, carbohydrates, minerals, roughage, fibers, whatever we eat, we have to keep balance. Do we need all the nutrients in the same manner? No. We need carbohydrates in more amount as compared to oil, fats and sugar. The best way to understand the suitable amount of food items to eat on a daily basis is by looking at the food pyramid. This is the diagram of food pyramid. Let us learn it. There are different partitions present between the food groups. The basic group, it is carbohydrates. We need carbohydrate in more amount. Bread, rice, cereal and pasta, we have to eat at least 6 to 11 servings. Second is fruits and vegetables. These are the proteins or body building nutrients. So proteins we need 3 to 5 servings. We need protective nutrients 3 to 4 servings. We should have dairy products like milk, butter, etc. 3 to 4 servings. And oil and fat we should not have it much. Occasionally we have to consume it, otherwise more fat will develop in the body and then other problems may develop in our body. All of us do not need the same amount of nutrient, isn't it? A small kid doesn't need much amount of nutrient as compared to the physical work doing person. The amount of nutrient requirement of a person depends on age, gender and the nature of work the person does. Now what is your age? Maybe 10 or 11 years or 10 and half years, isn't it? So you are a teenager. You do not need lots of nutrient as compared your mother or father. Mother and father, they do physical work, mother do household work, father goes to office or to business, so they need more energy than you, isn't it? Thus these persons needs more carbohydrates than the old person who does not do much manual work. Old person also doesn't do much work as compared to the people those who are at the age of 20 to 40. School going children are very active because they play, they do many activities, they study, so they need a lot of energy to perform various activities. They need energy for playing, studying, exercising, cycling, etc. So their nutritional requirements are higher, and that's why their diet it should be included wheat, rice, maize and other grains. They should drink milk and they should consume milk products such as cheese and curd. All the children should eat all the seasonal fruits and vegetables. Whatever fruits are available in the market during the season which is going on, so the child should eat that fruits. Nuts, oil and butter also we should include in the diet. It is also very important to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day because it helps in the digestion of the food. Children, we do many activities during the day. We go to school. Nowadays, school is closed. It is the different part. But we go to school, we study there, come back at home, then we do again complete our studies. We play, we do cycling. So our body, it requires energy for all those activities. And by the end of the day, our body gets tired. When your father comes from office, he said, "Oh, I am tired today," because he does lots of work in the office. We need to take enough rest to feel energetic and refresh again. Our body needs rest for refreshing and relaxing. Therefore, in addition to the eating a balanced diet, it is also important to exercise regularly and we should also take enough rest. If we are doing continuously work and we do not give proper rest to our body, then we may fall sick also. Exercise increases the flow of blood to the muscles, and that's why exercise is very much important. Exercise strengthens the bones and muscles. It keeps us fit and healthy. Is taking rest also important? Yes, taking rest is also important as a body needs time to relax and gear up to do more work. So, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and enough rest, these are key to good health. That's why, children, you should have balanced diet, regular exercise, and proper rest. Take care of your health. Have a great time ahead. Thank you.